Good morning everyone, my name is Ivan and I'm a chef. Today I would like to show you how to make scrambled eggs. To begin with, we need, of course, eggs, some cream, pinch of salt, some butter, spatula, a fork, and of course a bowl to make our mix, and some plate later on to plate it up. First things that we need to do is crack the egg. One, two. Put the shell away, and of course, wash our hand. After we crack the 2 eggs, we can add some thickened cream, like just a splash, a little bit, just that should be enough. After, we can move on the salt. Pinch of salt, then, and now we can grab our fork and start to mix the eggs and the cream and the salt together with a circular motion, like this. And of course, slowly increase the speed until everything gets combined together. This mixing is gonna add some hair in the egg mix and make it fluffy. I think that would be enough. The next step will be heat up our pan where we're gonna cook our egg. So medium-high heat, pans on. And now we just wait. Remember, for this step, ask your dad or your mom to help you. While the pan gets hot, we will grab some oil and we just put a drizzle, just enough to cover our pan later. When the drizzle is like that, you can see it's not covering pan. So what can we do is grab the handle carefully and wiggle it around until all the oil cover all the surface on the pan, like so. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And we're almost there. Now, all the pan is covered with the oil. We can add a little piece of butter. They teach me in the kitchen that oil is for color and butter is for flavor. So now that our butter is melting with the oil, we can turn the stove on low heat, because this is going to be hot enough for our egg mix. Once again, swirl it around to make sure that all the spots are covered. Now we can move on the eggs. Grab the bowl and just pour a little bit right in the middle. See? Like so. Now the eggs are slowly cooking. Can you see it? That's what we want. We're gonna cook it slowly. Some steam is coming out. That's perfect. So now we can start with our spatula to scramble the eggs. Oh, perfect. Now I have a small amount. What I do, I quickly turn it off, move it away, and keep scrambling it, because the heat from the pan is gonna keep cooking our eggs. And that's it. That is our quick scrambled eggs. Grab a plate and put it on. Here we go. Quick scrambled eggs. So after the scrambled eggs, I would like to show you the folded eggs, another fancy way the Melbourneians like the eggs in the morning. With a little bit of mixed from before, we just pour it in the pan. Now the sizzling, we just let it cook a little bit. From one corner, with the spatula, we pull it out, twist the pan, and now this cooking. Start folding it. Little fold, let the eggs go around the pan, another fold. And so on until the eggs get folded like a rose. Now we can turn it off our heat, grab a plate, and gently on top. That is another way to make folded eggs.
Okay.
And now here is a decorative way the chef likes to present avocado on the plate. Take an avocado, cut it in half, really careful, twist it on the chopping board, cut it in half again, and peel the avocado, put it on the chopping board, and really careful, start slicing it. Really thin and straight slice. Of course, in a kitchen, you should do this really, really fast. Once this is done, gentle slice, slide this avocado and roll it. This can be a teeny tiny flower for one. And the next one, try to do a better job and a little bit quicker. Once again, gently move all the slide on the side and fold it. And we have the second flower. So, and we can end up with our scrambled eggs with some folded prosciutto, some bread soldier, and avocado flour. In the other one, the second type, the folded eggs, always with bread soldier, some sliced prosciutto, and the avocado flour. Thank you.